हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। अमितोज कौर दिस साइड। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं लीगल राइट्स ऑफ वुमेन के बारे में। वुमेन हैविंग नो स्टेटस ऑफ देयर ओन, सप्रेस्ड बाय द इविल्स लाइक डाउरी, चाइल्ड मैरिज एंड डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस। Several Nirbhyas being murdered on the streets. Many Shraddhas being brutally killed by aftabs. And yet society questioning them for being responsible for all the incidents. And on the other hand, Constitution guaranteeing them several legal rights. But why this duality? Let's try to analyze it. Women's rights are basically the efforts or legislations that have been made to provide equal status to women. They are made to remove the gender discrimination from laws, institutions, and behavioral patterns. If we try to trace back the history, we'll find genocides in Greece 400 BC, devising the norms to practice gynecology. We'll find UN Women being created in 2010. Several digital movements like #MeToo, #BringBackOtherGirls, enlightening people to digital platforms. Several Indian feminists like Jyotibai Phule, Savitribai Phule, Ramabhai Ranade, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Sharmila Reje, holding the flag of women's rights tightly. Apart from all the laws that have been made, in spite of all the revolutionaries and great thinkers, they have changed the mindset, yet the status of women in our society remains that of a docile, weak housewife, a burden on the household, and not equivalent to men in any terms. To protect women, safeguard them, and give them rights, several legal provisions and rights have been made. This can be broadly understood under home, society, and workplace. For protecting women from cruelty and domestic violence, under the Indian Penal Code 498 section, women are protected from domestic violence and the offenders are punished. They have right to inheritance of property in their family, giving them equal status to men. They have right to over their bodies when it comes to termination of pregnancy. Then they have right to maintenance from their sons, daughters, and in case of divorced women, from their husbands. For providing better work conditions, the state and central legislations have been made. Under the Code of Wages 2019, the employer shall see that there is no discrimination done on the basis of gender and equal payment is given to both men and women. Apart from it, they have right from protection from domestic violence or from sexual harassment, giving them maternity paid leaves and several more. For the holistic emancipation of women in our society, the state shall work for the betterment of women, giving them provision for zero FIR and even provision for saving them from any kind of stalking and all such crimes. There is also provision for free legal guidance in terms of state, central, or national. Several laws have been made for reservation of women in different status of society, and all that has been done. Still, there is a long way to go. Apart from teaching the legal rights to both men and women, we need to change the societal values. We need to inculcate values that call for equality. Women are considered goddesses, the epitome of strength, and definitely they are needed to be considered the pillars of stability on which foundation is needed to be given, where several Mary Coms can bloom. Kalpana Chawla, Indira Gandhi, PV Sindhu can work freely and become one of its kind. थैंक यू. चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब अपने श्रद्धा अनुसार अच्छे काम करते रहिए, अपने दिल की सुनते रहिए.